Imagine a tiny speck of human ingenuity, no bigger than a car, hurtling through the infinite dark, farther from home than any of us can truly comprehend. Voyager 1, launched in a world of bell-bottoms and disco, was never meant to go this far. It was built to dance past Jupiter's swirling storms and Saturn's glittering rings, to snap a few photos and send them back to a planet buzzing with curiosity. But something extraordinary happened. After it slung itself around Titan, Saturn's mysterious moon, Voyager didn't stop. It kept going, propelled by a trajectory that would carry it beyond the planets, beyond the sun's fading grasp, into a realm we barely understood. Now, 48 years later, it's 15 billion miles away, a distance so vast that light itself takes over 21 hours to carry its whispers back to us. Each signal is a miracle, a fragile thread connecting us to a machine that has outlived its creator's wildest dreams. But in 2025, those whispers have turned into something else entirely. A message that feels less like data and more like a cry from the edge of existence. The solar system, as we once imagined it, was a tidy neighborhood. The sun blazed at its heart, planets orbited in neat circles, and somewhere out there, past Neptune's icy blue, we thought it all just ended. A clean line, a cosmic fence where the sun's influence gave way to the galaxy beyond. Scientists called this boundary the heliopause, the place where the solar wind, those streams of charged particles flung outward by our star, finally weakens and surrenders to the interstellar medium, the stuff between the stars. When Voyager 1 crossed this line in 2012, we celebrated. Humanity had done it. We'd sent a piece of ourselves into interstellar space, the first to ever leave the sun's embrace. But celebration turned to confusion, then awe, as the data trickled back. The heliopause wasn't a line at all. It wasn't clean or simple. It was a chaotic, living thing. A twilight zone of tangled magnetic fields and strange particles. A place that defied every model we'd built. Voyager hadn't just crossed a boundary. It had stumbled into a cosmic no-man's land, a region so bizarre that scientists are still grappling with what it means. Picture this: a spacecraft, alone in the dark, its instruments humming faintly as it drifts through a place where the sun's voice grows faint. The heliopause, it turns out, is less a wall and more a turbulent river, alive with what NASA calls magnetic highways. These are pathways where particles, some from our solar system, some from the galaxy beyond, flow in and out, weaving together in a dance that's both beautiful and unsettling. Voyager's sensors picked up something extraordinary here. A dense, chaotic stew of plasma, 10 times thicker than anyone expected, swirling in patterns that didn't match our predictions. It was as if the spacecraft had wandered into a cosmic traffic jam, where the rules of physics seemed to bend and twist. Particles moved erratically, defying the orderly models we'd crafted back on Earth. Scientists began to whisper about a topological phase change, a shift not just in space, but in the very nature of reality itself, like water turning to steam, or a dream slipping into something stranger. Voyager wasn't just in a new place. It might be in a new state of existence, where the fabric of space-time itself feels different. What makes this so haunting is the sense that Voyager is telling us something we weren't ready to hear. Its instruments, built in an era of analog dreams, are picking up signals that don't quite add up. The magnetic fields it expected to flip dramatically at the heliopause didn't. Instead, they wove into strange, knotted structures, like threads in a tapestry we can't yet read. And then, there's the timing. In recent years, NASA engineers noticed something subtly wrong with Voyager's communications. The signals arrive, faint but clear, yet their timestamps are off. Not by much, but enough to raise eyebrows. It's as if the spacecraft is sending messages through a medium that distorts time itself. Some theorize it's plasma lensing, where magnetized clouds in the interstellar medium bend the radio waves in ways we don't fully understand. Others, like Maeve Ofer from Boston University, suggest something wilder. That Voyager is brushing against regions where spacetime itself is warped, stretched by unseen forces. Could it be that the spacecraft is encountering a place where time flows differently, where the very rules of distance and duration start to fray? This isn't just about physics. It's about what it means to be human in a universe that doesn't care about our maps or our math. Voyager 1 is a relic of our ambition, a testament to our need to reach beyond what we can see. But now, as it drifts through this alien domain, it's forcing us to confront questions we've never had to ask. What if the boundary it crossed isn't just a line in space, but a threshold into something fundamentally other? What if the particles it's detecting, strange, high-energy cosmic rays with energies and compositions we can't explain, aren't just from distant stars, but from events so ancient they predate our planet? Some scientists believe these could be traces of supernova, the ghosts of exploded stars that seeded the galaxy with elements millions of years ago. Others wonder if there's something stranger, baryons or heavy elements born in the fiery chaos of the early universe. Each particle is a story, a fragment of a cosmic past we're only beginning to understand, carried to us by a machine that was never meant to find them. As Voyager drifts deeper into this unknown, it's not just exploring space, it's exploring the limits of what we believe is possible. The data it sends back, faint and faltering, feels like a message in a bottle, tossed into a sea we can't navigate. We're left to wonder, what is this place Voyager has found? Is it a void where the universe's secrets lie bare, or a frontier where the laws we've trusted for centuries start to unravel? The spacecraft is alone out there, but its journey binds us to it, a thread of human courage stretching across the cosmos. And as it ventures further, into regions emptier and stranger than anything we've imagined, it carries with it a question that haunts us all. What does it mean to reach a place we were never meant to go? The stars are silent, but Voyager 1 is not. Out there, 15 billion miles from the warmth of Earth, it hums with a stubborn kind of courage, sending back whispers from a place that feels like the edge of a dream. This tiny machine, born in a world of typewriters and moon landings, has wandered into a cosmic wilderness where the rules we've clung to, gravity, time, the tidy laws of physics, seem to waver. It's not just crossing space anymore. It's brushing against the unknown, a realm so strange it feels like the universe is daring us to understand it. The signals keep coming, faint and faltering, but they carry a weight that presses on the heart. Voyager has found something, a region alive with mystery, where particles dance in ways we can't explain, where time itself seems to bend. This is the story of a lonely explorer, adrift in a sea of stars, telling us we've only just begun to glimpse the true vastness of the cosmos. Every signal from Voyager 1 is a miracle, a pulse of data traveling across a gulf so vast it defies the imagination. But in 2025, those signals are telling a story that unsettles even the sharpest minds at NASA. The spacecraft's cosmic ray detector, built to measure the charged particles flung from our sun or distant stars, has started picking up something else. Particles with energies and compositions that don't fit any pattern we know. These aren't the familiar cosmic rays we've cataloged for decades. They carry strange isotopes, exotic signatures that hint at origins far beyond our galaxy's reach. Some scientists whisper about supernova remnants, the scattered ashes of stars that died millions of years ago, their debris drifting through the void like cosmic fossils. Others dare to wonder if these particles were forged in the crucible of the early universe, in moments of unimaginable heat and density. Each detection feels like a letter from a forgotten time, a clue to events that shaped the galaxy long before Earth was born. Then, there's the plasma, the invisible ocean Voyager swims through. When it crossed the heliopause in 2012, scientists expected a steady sea of interstellar matter, a kind of cosmic calm after the turbulence of the solar system's edge. But Voyager found something else, a sudden drop in density, as if it's sailing into a vast emptiness, a hypervoid where particles are so scarce, it feels like the universe is holding its breath. This isn't just empty space. It's a silence so profound, It might be the perfect stage for forces we've only guessed at. Some researchers believe this could be a testing ground for dark energy, that mysterious force driving the universe apart. With so little matter to interfere, Voyager might be our first chance to measure the subtle pull of this cosmic enigma, to see if the constants we've measured on Earth hold true in the deep interstellar void. The thought is thrilling and terrifying. What if the rules we've built our understanding on aren't as universal as we thought? But it's the signals themselves that carry the deepest mystery. Voyager's radio waves, traveling at the speed of light, arrive with a strange wobble, a rhythmic flicker that repeats with eerie precision. This isn't random noise or the creak of an aging machine. It's as if something in the interstellar medium is bending the signals, twisting them in ways we can't fully explain. Dr. Suzanne Dodd, Voyager's project manager at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, suggests these wobbles could be our first glimpse of hidden structures in the cosmos, perhaps dense filaments of dark matter, or pockets of magnetized plasma warping the fabric of space-time. Imagine Voyager's signals passing through a cosmic lens, stretched and shaped by forces we can't see. It's a haunting image, a lone spacecraft brushing against invisible wrinkles in the universe, its voice distorted by the weight of something vast and unseen. This region Voyager has entered feels less like a place and more like a question. The data paints a picture of a cosmos that's alive, unpredictable, and far stranger than we ever imagined. The magnetic fields it measures show an uncanny symmetry with those recorded by Voyager 2, its sister craft, which crossed the heliopause years later at a different point in space. This shouldn't happen. The boundary was supposed to be chaotic, irregular, shaped by the messy push and pull of solar and galactic forces. Yet the two spacecraft, separated by billions of miles, report patterns that mirror each other with unsettling precision. It's as if the heliopause isn't just a random frontier, but a structure governed by deeper laws, a hidden architecture woven into the galaxy itself. Some physicists wonder if this symmetry hints at fundamental principles we've yet to uncover. Rules that tie the dance of stars and plasma to the quantum flicker of particles at the universe's smallest scales. What gnaws at the heart, though, is the growing sense that Voyager may have crossed a line it can never uncross. The heliopause, it seems, isn't just a boundary, it's a one-way gate. The magnetic field lines that let Voyager slip out of the solar system have snapped shut behind it, like a door sealing off the way home. Recent models suggest this region acts like a cosmic membrane, allowing passage outward but not back. The spacecraft, now fully immersed in the interstellar medium, is cut off from the sun's influence, drifting in a realm shaped by the light of distant stars and the echoes of ancient explosions. It's a lonely thought. Voyager, our brave little messenger, has left home forever, carrying humanity's voice into a wilderness where our rules no longer apply. And yet, in that loneliness, there's a kind of awe, a sense that we've touched something so vast, so alien, that it redefines what it means to explore. Voyager 1 drifts alone in the cosmic deep, a tiny spark of human will cast into a sea of stars. 15 billion miles from the planet that birthed it, this machine, older than most of us, built with dreams and wires from a bygone era, has ventured where no human creation was ever meant to go. It's not just the distance that sets it apart, it's the strangeness of the place it's found, a realm where the universe seems to whisper secrets in a language we can't yet speak. The signals it sends, faint across the void, carry echoes of a reality we're only beginning to grasp, a reality where time bends, particles tell ancient stories, and the very fabric of space feels alive with hidden forces. Voyager is our messenger, our eyes in a wilderness beyond imagination, and its journey is rewriting what we believe about the cosmos. But as it sails further into the unknown, it carries a heavier truth. This is a one-way trip, a farewell to the solar system that may last longer than Earth itself. The interstellar medium, where Voyager now swims, is no ordinary void. It's the pristine stuff of the galaxy, untouched by the sun's warm breath, shaped instead by the ghosts of stars long dead and the subtle hum of forces we can't see. Here, The particles it detects are like relics, carrying traces of cataclysms that happened millions, perhaps billions, of years ago. Scientists at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory pore over the data, hearts racing, as Voyager's cosmic ray detector picks up isotopes like iron-60, rare, radioactive fragments that can only come from supernovae, those violent deaths of stars that scatter their essence across the galaxy. On Earth, we found these same isotopes buried in ocean sediments, proof that our planet once bathed in the debris of stellar explosions. Now, Voyager might be brushing against those same ancient remnants, particles that drifted through the void long before humanity learned to dream. It's like holding a piece of the universe's deep past, a connection to events that shaped the galaxy we call home. This cosmic archaeology is humbling, but it's the emptiness that truly unsettles. Voyager's instruments show the particle density dropping again, as if it's sailing into a hypervoid, an expanse so barren it feels like the universe has gone silent. This isn't just empty space. It's a place where the fundamental forces of nature might reveal themselves in ways we've never seen. With so little matter to muddy the waters, Voyager could be our first chance to measure the faint tug of dark energy, the mysterious force pushing the universe apart. What if the constants we've measured, gravity, light, time, aren't as constant as we thought? What if Voyager, in this sterile silence, is testing the very laws that hold our reality together? The thought sends a shiver. A lone machine, far from home, might be rewriting the rules of existence, forcing us to question whether the universe we know is only a small corner of something far stranger. The signals, too, carry a haunting mystery. Voyager's radio waves, stretched across billions of miles, arrive with a strange, rhythmic wobble. Patterns too precise to be chance, too subtle to dismiss. NASA engineers puzzle over these fluctuations, wondering if they're glimpses of a hidden cosmic architecture. Could Voyager be passing through folds in space-time, warped by unseen masses, or dark matter filaments? Einstein taught us that mass bends the fabric of reality, but we've never tested his ideas this far from home. Each wobble feels like a clue, a hint that Voyager is brushing against something vast, a gravity wrinkle, a ripple in the universe itself. It's as if the spacecraft is sending postcards from a place where space and time are stretched thin, revealing a structure we can't yet see but can feel in our bones. What makes this journey so profound is its irreversibility. The heliopause, that turbulent boundary Voyager crossed, isn't just a line, it's a one-way street. The magnetic fields that let it slip out of the solar system have realigned, sealing the path behind it. Voyager is truly gone, adrift in a realm where the sun's influence fades to nothing, where the galaxy's raw, untamed nature takes over. In 40,000 years, it will drift near a star called AC plus 793888, a faint speck in the Milky Way. Long after its power dies in the late 2030s, it will keep sailing, a silent ambassador carrying humanity's golden record, our songs, our greetings, our hope, into the cosmic deep. It may outlast Earth itself, orbiting the galaxy for billions of years, a relic of a species that dared to reach beyond its cradle. This is the heart of Voyager's story, not just a mission, but a testament to what it means to be human. We built this machine to explore, to ask questions of a universe that doesn't answer easily. And now, as it ventures into a realm we were never meant to reach, it forces us to confront our place in the cosmos. Are we just fleeting sparks in an infinite dark, or are we part of something larger, woven into the galaxy's hidden symmetries? Voyager 1 and its sister Voyager 2 are still out there, pushing deeper into the unknown, their data challenging everything we thought we knew. Each signal is a reminder that exploration isn't just about finding answers, it's about daring to ask questions that change us. As Voyager sails on, forever cut off from home, it carries our curiosity, our courage, and a quiet hope that somewhere, in the vastness, our story will endure. If you're captivated by this cosmic odyssey, imagine what Voyager 2 might find next, trailing its sibling into the same uncharted wilderness. These twin explorers, humanity's farthest messengers, are still rewriting the story of the universe, one faint signal at a time. Their journey is ours, a leap into the unknown that reminds us how small we are and how boundless our dreams can be.